Alright, so we're right at the bottom of this declined shaft here, which you can see going up at an angle. And this part of the mine's been picked through pretty good, but actually someone was down here getting ready to take all this stuff out of here. So they have a little dolly back here. But clearly they failed. So we got a pretty big riveted ore car there. It's been spray painted, unfortunately. A bunch of ore car wheels. And then what's most interesting in my opinion is this ore bucket. It's also riveted. And then behind that is a really tiny little riveted air tank, which is kind of cool too. There's the other side. And this is actually back where we came from, so we're going to head out that way and check out some other leads we have.
I don't know, yeah, I don't do it. Anyway, yeah, what about here? They hold out from somewhere. Kind of interesting. And something else we noticed as well as when we were eating lunch is that a lot of the stick figures in this mine have tails.
All the graffiti on this level should be covered in a previous video.
Look at all these ducks. A whole bunch of ducks. Some not so nice things. I already showed this yesterday, but figured I'd document where we're going.
Yeah.
Ooh.
What'd you say? This will be new territory for me, so we're crawling like through the shaft, where the shaft would have been, around it.
Alright, so we just walked down this drift. Not much on it, other than the ore car. There's branch off that way. And then I'm gonna head down this way real quick and see what's down here while we're here. Some ore tallies there. Dull steel send up. So where they'd leave their drill steel when it was too dull to continue, and they needed someone to sharpen it. So much graffiti in here, I literally cannot film it all. It would take probably years. So much. Kind of turns into a bit of a maze back here. Some stopes running down. I'm not going to go down these right now because I'm out here alone at the moment. Some really neat geology there. See the bands in the rock. That goes off. This looks like a dead end, so I'll quickly check it. And it's a raise. Goes up a little ways. Really wild colors. Alright, looks like it heads off into a stope and not much else here. And I can't go too far because I separated from the group, so I head back.
I wonder if with weight in it, it'll allow you rail. I'm gonna ride back.
We're now headed down that way, chasing another lead that we aim to check today on this trip. I think we've been down, I think we went down here yesterday briefly, but we didn't explore the whole thing. Shoot there. It's this drift. Here's our, do not use this drift as a toilet graffiti.
Token Arthrodizorvalarmler. The ever-present, all-existent 500.
We're gonna head off that way. Follow them. Nice manway. Looks safe. Those columns.
Looks like work. Yeah, do the tongue test.
Popped up there from down there. Sublevel. Gobbing.
This stuff's solid.
What? This is much more modern than what we just came from.
Yeah, this is all modern cross cuts.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, today was grand, sorry.
Look at the floor, look at the ripples and everything.
Wow.
Yeah,
Very crusty.
sulfide crust. They cross cut this often, but these are not $1 is good enough.
If they find something like that, you might know the last one.
Oh, yeah, this is the model.
We want to do it. No, it's good to wind it up.
Alright, continuing past the flow stone. they found something they wanted back here. Sorry, my camera lens is all fogged up. I don't know if I can do anything about it. So if I wipe it, it'll make it worse. I know that because I've tried before.